Xiaomi sub-brand appears to be working on the POCO F7 model. It was recently spotted on NBTC certification. Now the Geekbench listing reveals some important specifications and performance scores for the device. Phone has managed 1029 in the single-core round and 2901 in the multi-core test. POCO X7 powered by the Dimensity 7300 Ultra with up to 12GB RAM and a maximum of 512GB storage, and run Android 14 OS out of the box. The POCO X7 will likely sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD plus 1.5K resolution, similar to the Redmi Note 14 Pro. POCO X7 have a 50MP IMX882 main camera, an 8MP Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro sensor, and 20MP front-facing camera. POCO X7 pack a 5500 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The phone is expected to launch around the same time as its predecessor, which debuted in India in January 2024. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.